Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm creating this video to give you all some exciting news about my YouTube channel. I have now reached 50,000 subscribers. Like, wow, I mean, it really is an amazing feeling. I am grateful and honored to achieve this amazing milestone. You know, it took me 5 years to get to 50,000 subscribers, and I'm truly grateful for that, and I couldn't have done it without you all, my subscribers. So I want to thank you all very much for the likes, the dislikes, the comments, the letters, the messages, and the most important thing is sharing my videos. Like, I've met some people in person and they're like, Charlie, I want to thank you so much. I tried your recipe, it was wonderful. I shared I let my family, my brother, my sister, my uncle, my grandmother know about your channel. I think that's what really got me to this point, is people actually sharing and letting other people know about my channel, and I really appreciate that. Thank you all so much. I couldn't have gotten to 50,000 subscribers without you all, my subscribers. You all is what make Charlie Andrews happen. You know, I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for you all. So thank you all very much. I really appreciate it. Now, 7 months ago I was at 30,000 subscribers. Now I'm at 50,000 subscribers. So my channel is growing some, and I appreciate that, and I'm forever grateful for that, because like I said, I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for you all. Some people say that I deserve way more subscribers. Some people say I deserve 100,000 subscribers. Some people say I deserve 1,000,000 subscribers. But right now, I'm not focused on getting to 1,000,000 subscribers or even 100,000 subscribers. Right now, I'm at 50,000, and I'm grateful and appreciative toward the fact that I even have 50,000 subscribers, you know. So I'm very happy and very grateful for that. I'll just take that. It can stop at 60,000 or 50,000 or however many subscribers I get. I'm just grateful for it, you know. So now that we've made it to 50,000 subscribers, that's right, it's not just me, it's you all too. We're all a team in this together. We're all Charlie Andrews, all together. You all are what makes me what I am. So now that we've made it to 50,000, let's continue to grow the channel. Let's get to 60,000, 70,000, however many I get to, you know. With each and every subscriber count that comes in, I'm just grateful for it, you know. They have some channels that that might take them 6 months to get to 50,000 subscribers, and what took me 5 years to do. So, you know, like I said, I'm just truly grateful for it, you know, and I'm glad I continue to do videos and stay here and create wonderful videos for you all, and I'm looking forward to the future as well. Again, I want to thank all 50,000 of my subscribers. Thank you all so much. This channel would not be possible without you, so from the bottom of my heart, thank you. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Now, let's continue to grow Charlie the Cook Andrews cooking channel together. Thank you.